If your chart on Tradingview shows a different price than your broker or another app, your chart is not broken. You're seeing delayed market data. And here's why that happens. So the main reason is exchange data rules. So stock exchanges control their price feeds. By default, they only allow platforms to show delayed quotes for free. For most stocks, the delay is about 15 minutes. Then you're not paying for the chart, you're paying for the exchange. Tradingview provides charts, but exchanges sell the actual price data. So even if you have a paid Tradingview plan, stock prices can still be delayed. So now, which markets are delayed? So usually delayed US stocks, options, some futures contracts, and which ones are real-time, cryptocurrency and Forex. So why your broker shows a different price? So your broker has its own licensed feed from the exchange. So it shows live prices. Tradingview only shows live prices if the exchange data feed is included. Now, how do we recognize the delayed data? So the easy check is opening a stock chart and look near the symbol name. If you see the word delayed, you are viewing past prices, not the live market. And there's also a common misconception. A Tradingview subscription alone does not automatically include real-time stock data. So the final answer is your Tradingview chart is delayed because exchanges restrict live data, not because your settings are wrong. So hopefully this helps you out and assists you. If it did, leave a comment in the comment section, and thank you for watching.